Now that we have found two separate subject headings that we would like to search for together, we can combine both of them in our SNL search using the Boolean operator AND. Boolean operators are simple commands you may already be familiar with. They instruct the search engine how to combine and sort search terms in relation to each other. In this search box, we have the results of our two separate prior searches, of our population, infants, and our intervention, diapers. To see the results of papers that include both concepts, we should use Boolean operator AND. If we were searching for all diapers, whether for infants or adults, we could expand the scope of our search by combining a search for the subject headings diapers and incontinence aids. We can do this by using the Boolean operator OR. OR will retrieve all records that has either subject heading listed as a medical heading. When you use the operator OR, it generally broadens the number of results you get in a search. As they say, OR is more. Whereas using an additional subject heading with the AND operator limits the results. It should be noted that these operators do not work at all like the English AND and OR. Instead, they are logical operators. In the next video, we will explore how to use keywords in your searches.